Hello everyone, it's me, Dawn. I am going to be doing a flood coat on these pieces. They're alcohol ink. Each one of them have alcohol ink on them. And then I sprayed them with UV archival matte. UV archival matte. And now I'm getting ready to do a flood coat on them. I mixed my resin and the hardener of Stone Coat Countertops. And I'm gonna mix it for 3 minutes, at least, scraping the sides and the bottom and the corners of the bottom. See? Stone Coat Countertop Art Coat Resin. It starts to get clear after a while, and that's how you know you've mixed it really well. And if you mix it slow enough, there's not tons of bubbles. But if you still see little stringy things in there where you just want to keep mixing that up. Alright, we're good. I don't want it to drip over just yet. First I want to just make sure I get all the resin at least to the edges. But I don't really want to lose it all, so I want to try and just bring a little bit to the edges. Now the last time I tried to resin some pieces, I sprayed them with, I think it was, I'll have to get it, but I sprayed them with the wrong, or just not the right, you got to use the archival matte, especially for the pinks and the reds, because what happens is if they're not sealed, the ink will run all over the place, and it's terrible when you have a piece that you absolutely love and it completely is unrecognizable when it's done. And I will show you an example of that. So I went out and made sure that we got the matte so that these would not be destroyed, because I would cry.